Hey everyone, today we're gonna unbox these new Jurassic World toys, which are now mint in the box. We have Yoxiosaurus, Baryonyx, T-Rex, Spinosaurus, Quetzalcoatlus, Mosasaurus, and Dominion Target exclusive. Now, what should we unbox first?
The Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Good idea. Let's start with the T-Rex. So first up we have the Tyrannosaurus Rex. First up we have the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Carter, you could do the honors. Cut. Cut. You got this, Carter. You could do it. See some wet there. Wait, there's something missing. Wait a minute, Carter. Look, there's a piece of strip. Get it, Carter. Get it to him. I think you got it now. I'll get you, Terry. Carter, cut the rope. The rope. Quickly. I think I got it now. Fasten out, big guy. Yahoo! We got the Power Devoured T-Rex out of the box. Here's the Power Devoured T-Rex. Good job, Carter. Now let's twist his feet. Hold the tongue down with your hand. I'll show you. See? That's how you do it.
Oh wow, that's good.
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. You can find the source. Let's cut and see.
The Spinosaurus. You could answer these ones.
Slinky Dog.
You'll unbox it next. Let's unbox him next. You're next, Spinosaurus. You're next, Spino. You know it all. You're an expert at Toy Story. Kentrosaurus. Cosmoceratops. Kronosaurus. Catamaria.
And Cryptops.
Kermitops, yes.
Cryptops.
I know Jigglypuff and Slowpoke are both Pokemon, so I'm gonna go Bookworm.
Yeah, the bookworm. It's the bookworm. Duke Kaboom. Man.
Rosie.
Can I help you, Carter?
Yes. Rosie.
Gabby? Gabby.
Gabby. Or not.
Come on, you can do it. Oh no, Toy Story 4 is losing. Come on, Toy Story franchise, you can do it. Mrs. Potato Head. Come on, Mrs. Potato Head. Win! One more, please. One more, please. Bo Peep. Bo Peep. Bo Peep. Bo Peep. Bo Peep. Bo Peep. Yes! Caesar. Yeah, he did it! Toy Story franchise won a round. Oh, let me help you, Carter.
Eunice.
We need a little help here. The big box goes here. Let's see. I know. There! We got him! We got the Spinosaurus. Show him how it works, Carter. Push the button. Again. 3 times. Now, let me show you what it looks like 3 times faster. 3 times faster. How about the Quetzalcoatlus? Now it's Quetzalcoatlus's turn. Be careful of the wings. A Quetzalcoatlus can't fly once his wings are ripped. I'll catch the Quetzal. I'll catch him. Catch that Quetzal. Right there. It's right over there. I'll shake it open. Shake it. There's only 1 left. Only 1 left to go. Come on, Carter. You can do it. You can do it, Carter. Yes, the Quetzalcoatlus is free. Now let's check out his features. Awesome. Let's see what his real feature looks like here. This is the Quetzalcoatlus action feature.
Yes.
What's that? You want the Mosasaurus?
Mosasaurus.
But where's the scan code?
Skin code.
The scan code must be around here somewhere. I can't find the scan code. That's weird. Here it is. The Bite and Blast Mosasaurus. Alright then. Here comes the next toy. Next up we have the Wild Roar Baryonyx. Well, now let's hold it up. And there. Now we have the Wild Roar Baryonyx. Scoop. Caught. Cutter. Scoop. Hold as tight as you can. And we've almost got it. Hold tighter. Good teamwork, Carter. Bumpers up.
Let's go on home.
Good job. Now we got the Baryonyx from Dinosaur King. Anyway, for the next one we have the Strike Attack Yuxisaurus, which is going to be for the next. Next we have the Strike Attack Yuxisaurus, which is the last rebirth toy that was mint in the package. And there, and there, and there. Now we have the Yuxisaurus.
Yuxisaurus.
As you can see, he's got a lot of spikes on his back. And to me, he's the most recent creature that starts with the letter Y. And check this out. Wiggle his tail. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's right, Carter. The Yuxisaurus is a wiggling dinosaur. Well done, Carter. Anyway, that's all the rebirth toys. And stay tuned for part 2, which is on the Dominion toys. You're right, Carter. This is the last one. So let's get to opening this last one. For the last Jurassic World toy that's in this package, This is a Target exclusive, which includes the Yanchuanosaurus, Velociraptor Blue, and Owen Grady, an exclusive motorcycle and helmet. Try this side. Pull on this side. Oops. I think we broke it. Or did we? Let's make it. I think we can do it. Let's do this. All together now. All together now, Carter. And there. There we go. There's the three characters on. There are the three figures. We have the Yanchuanosaurus. Scissors, please. Let's get those scissors. Here's the scissors for the Yanchuanosaurus. I already have a Yanchuanosaurus like this one in my collection because it was the last one on Amazon. Then we have Velociraptor Blue. And Owen Grady. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, boy. This. And there. And now we have the Yanchuanosaurus, Velociraptor Blue, and Owen Grady. So anyway, now that we got all three of these new figures unboxed, I hereby declare that this is the end of our video.
Skin.
Of course, this is the end of our video. And thank you so much for helping us unbox all of these Jurassic World toys. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.